From July to December 2022, Border Security Force BSF will hold a series of events to commemorate India's 75th anniversary of independence, including a display of BSF bands at various locations, establishments, a friendly volleyball and football match with BJP, a motorcycle rally, a run-up on Teachers' Day, and various cultural programs. As part of the calendar events, a motorcycle rally was launched from BSF Camp Maupat in Shillong on September 1, 2022, and will conclude in Delhi on September 16, 2022. The rally will feature 30 motorcyclists, 15 from BSF Janpas men's motorcycle team and 15 from BSF Seema Bhavani women's motorcycle team, as well as local motorcycles. Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi, IPS DGP Meghalaya Police, flag off the rally on September 1, 2022 from Sector Headquarters BSF Shillong in the presence of Sri Inderjit Singh Rana, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya Frontier, and officials from various government offices. The local audience was captivated by the BSF Jazz Brass Band's rendition of patriotic songs, which was followed by a cultural program presented by BSF school students. Nongpo's Deputy Commissioner and other dignitaries, as well as Commandant 172 Battalion BSF, welcomed the rally. A short program was presented which included a film about the BSF as well as a yoga demonstration and weapon exhibition. A gallery displaying banners on drug abuse awareness, smuggling prevention, and recruitment rules was also set up. While addressing the gathering in Maupat, Shillong, Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi, DGP Meghalaya Police, reiterated that the motorcycle rally is part of the Azadi Kam Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievements. He also stated that the rally will spread a message of national integration and patriotism among citizens. It will also boost the morale of the country's youth, encouraging and motivating them to join the Border Security Force and other forces.
For inviting me as a chief guest and to have an opportunity to interact with you all. As we all know, BSF is organizing motorcycle rally under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which we all know is being celebrated all over India, and also the world famous BSF team, Jamba team, Seema Bhavani riders, consisting of 15 riders each are participating and going to complete this rally within 16 days, covering around 2,800 long kilometers from Shillong to Delhi. They will make halts en route, and this is the first halt at Nongpo, and you guys from Nongpo are lucky to have seen this, both the teams, and we are welcoming them in Nongpo after Shillong. I once again extend the welcome to both the teams on behalf of Frontier Headquarters, Meghalaya. As has already been briefed by Sri Sanjay Sharma, Commandant 172 Battalion, the main purpose is to create awareness about national integration and to spread the message of patriotism and fraternity among the youth. BSF team has many records, including world records. And this is a pride moment for all of us that today the world famous this team, Jamba's team and Seema Bhavani riders, they are among us.